Thank you very much for joining us. I'm sure you'll be rewarded with a very exciting and creative evening of problem solving.
For the future of humanity, we are competing against ChatGPT. Are we willing to take on that challenge?
Tonight we came here for an exciting workshop on innovation and we were looking at the future of Schiphol Airport using all the new exciting technologies like AI and all of those things. I was most excited to see that everybody left the room with a huge smile on their face, and that's job done. And also enthusiastic to carry on the relationships they made tonight and talk to each other.
So the game was very well designed because it allows you to, create valuable ideas. Because I have been to such events before, and this was creative, engaging, and teaching me something.
When I came here, I thought, okay, I get another story. I will hear another story about AI, and I didn't expect I would work actually with other people I met here to create an AI solution.
People at all levels can learn if it's a healthy mix from each other, and I think that you can take back to your job to either influence decision making or to fire your team or to get something operationally tangible. It's a great win.
I think we've learned a lot about how we could take this concept and even improve on it further, which is fantastic.
I think the big thing that we've learned from these last two events is that networking doesn't need to be roundtable discussions. What it can be is a group of people coming together to play games, act in playful ways. That really helps people to kind of learn about each other and also learn new things. As this network gets bigger, what I'm really looking forward to is meeting more and more people so that more people can experience what it's like to come to these events.
It's a beginning, as you said, it's your proof of concept.